I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the media and tool you'll use. Choose a 1080p or 4K clip or animated sequence so scaling looks sharp. Once done, install a live wallpaper program. I recommend Wallpaper Engine, Lively, or Rainmeter with a video plugin because they handle formats and performance. Make sure your system meets minimums, about 2 GB GPU and 4 GB RAM, close background apps. Now open the Wallpaper app and import the file. We configure output and performance next. You import the media and immediately set how it plays. Loop, start point, and playback speed so animation looks natural. Next, adjust resolution and FPS, aim for 30 to 60 depending on your system, and configure GPU usage or quality presets to balance visuals with performance. Once configured, choose which monitor to apply the wallpaper to, and decide whether audio should be muted or scaled. If you use multi-display, make sure to set aspect behavior so nothing stretches awkwardly. You apply the wallpaper and observe for a short test period, watching CPU and GPU load to confirm it's acceptable. Once satisfied, enable pause on full screen and any power-saving options so games and presentations aren't interrupted. If you hit stutter or artifacts, try lowering FPS or resolution, switch renderer between DirectX and OpenGL, or disable overlays. These changes address most problems. Finally, save your profile so you can restore settings quickly, and remember to reboot if the app behaves inconsistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.